Hi everyone, welcome back to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make spring rolls. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. You will be needing these ingredients: 2 cups of shredded chicken, 2 cups of cabbage, 1 cup of green pepper, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 1/4 cup of white flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Chicken broth is optional. 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried basil. All of these spices can be adjusted to your preference. Lastly, we will also be needing spring roll sheets. Let's begin by making the filling of the spring rolls. Heat oil in a pan and add the ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for a few minutes and then add the shredded chicken. Mix it well and add the vegetables. Now we can add the green peppers, the shredded cabbage, and the shredded carrots. Now we can mix everything together. Now we can go ahead and add all the spices and mix everything well. Now we can add the soya sauce. Add 1/4 cup of white flour and let it cook for a few minutes. This mixture will make about 18 to 20 spring rolls. In a separate bowl, add the rest of the white flour and add water. Mix these two together to make a paste. We will be using this paste later on to seal the spring rolls. Let's get rolling. To make the spring rolls, we can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the spring roll mixture to the sheet. Now fold over the corner closest to you over the mixture, like this. Now bring the other 2 corners towards the center. Hold everything together and roll away from you. Once rolled, we can apply the paste and seal the spring roll. And there you have it, our rolled spring roll. Let's do this one more time. You can freeze these to use at a later time. We are now ready to fry our spring rolls. Heat oil on medium heat and add the spring rolls. And fry them until they are golden brown. Our delicious spring rolls are now ready. Let's try some. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share your version on our social media and don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you. See you later.